While learning NXOpen customization and programming, what we mainly work with, the kind of examples I mean, what kind of examples we work with are either fetching some information from the NX models or performing some operations. But in these both ways, fetching an information is always required, because when you wanted to perform some operation, that time even you fetch some object information and you work on top of that object information. So this means that fetching the required object information is a very crucial part to learn. In this example, I am going to detail out how you can find out the feature name and type. Now you could see I do have model where I do have several sketches. I do have extrude feature and edge blend feature. This is a very typical and simple example though, but you can think of something which is very uh, a big model in a way where there is a huge list of features you can see in a part navigator. And if you see, if you do have certain part model like that, you can look at the part navigator list, the feature list in that part navigator tab, and you can definitely get to know that how different type of features are involved to create that model. And this is how we can also conclude that there are several types of features that are available to use in NX. And as there are several type of features that we can use, there are several type of objects that we can find about these features when we deal with these features, when we create an NXOpen program around these features. So we are going to see one of the typical example which fetches the feature name and type up when we select that feature. Let's have a look at the example itself before we try to use it. What is done here? There is a nxopen.uf library, and mainly from this library the APIs are used to find out the information about those features. First, it is UFS UI, which is the user interface class, is used to enable the selection of a feature. And then after we got the feature, then we have used modl class, which is UF modeling class, to find out the feature type using ask fit type, to find out the feature name using ask fit name, and again we have used ask feature system name. So this is the another name of the feature. So we'll also see what is the difference between feature name and feature system name. Along with that, the only class which is used is UI class, which shows this information in a window uh, for our information, for our knowledge. So now let's try this code. Now I do have this code. Let's play this in a journal editor. I have got some error that I need to fix. Fix this error, I need to change the programming language for a journal. I will change it to Visual Basic, as this code is a Visual Basic code. Now let me open a new journal editor and paste my code and try to play it. Now once I play it, you could see this dialog has popped up, and this dialog gives me the list of features. Those are matching with the list of features we can see in a part navigator. Now if I select one of the features, let's say I will select sketch and click OK, then what I am going to get? I am going to get the type of feature. I'm going to get the name as well and its system name. There is no difference between the result when it comes to the feature name and feature system name, but this is what the information is about the sketch that I have selected. Now I will minimize this window and here I will select extrude and let me see if I can select the other as well. Yeah, I can select these three objects or features together and click OK. Now what will happen? I will get the information for all these three different features. I got the information for extrude and edge blend. So this is how we can simply get the information of the feature, its type, its name and system name using this example. This example can be then further used to perform any task. For example, I would like to find out the extrude with so and so details, so and so extrude value, and I would like to modify that extrude value to some other value. Then I can this way find out the feature first, and then I can use extrude builder to modify the parameters of a extrude builder. Here I am introducing a course called C Sharp Essentials for NXOpen Customization and Programming. Enroll now and unlock the power of customization in NX. Don't miss out.